Creators are always looking for gear that travels well, but there hasn't been a gimbal that's both pro-level and ultra-portable until now. Introducing DJI RS3 Mini, a travel-sized stabilizer designed for those who move light. Weighing less than 2 pounds, RS3 Mini is just half the size and weight of RS3 Pro, while delivering effortless, ultra-flexible, single-handed use. The new dual-layered quick-release plate features a curved placement guide, which fixes your camera securely in place so you can shoot confidently. Integrated Bluetooth shutter means direct recording control for faster shooting when the moment demands it. And with the ergonomic front dial, it also enables optical or digital zoom without having to use a control cable. RS3 Mini has a best-in-category payload capacity, letting it easily handle the setups creators love to use. Powered with the latest RS stabilization algorithm, it can help you get footage that's impossible when shooting just handheld. It can go vertical without having to add any components, giving you social media-ready content with the same control experience as you get in horizontal mode. Your favorite features, like a 1.4-inch touchscreen and NATO port, are also standard on RS3 Mini. Capture all day long with up to 10 hours of operation time on a full charge. Take it anywhere, tackle any shot, adapt to any moment. Move light with RS3 Mini.
In PF mode, only the pan axis follows the movements of the grip, while the tilt axis and roll axis will not follow. This is suitable for horizontal camera movements, such as circling a subject, left and right movements. In PTF mode, both the pan and tilt axes follow the movements of the grip, and the roll axis will not follow. This is suitable for shooting diagonally. In FPV mode, all 3 axes follow the movements of the grip. The mode is normally used for flipping shots. In custom mode, you can manually set any axis to follow. When in 3D Roll 360, the gimbal will tilt 90 degrees and the camera will face straight upward. Then, you can control the joystick to rotate the pan axis 360 degrees to create a time tunnel effect. Camera connection. Set the camera Bluetooth as follows. On the camera screen, enter the wireless functions page and select Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth enable. Return to the wireless functions page and select Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Connect to wireless remote. On the gimbal touchscreen, tap the Bluetooth icon. Select the camera Bluetooth name and tap to connect. In photo mode, enter the photo settings page and change the drive mode to self-timer, 10-second remote or 2-second remote. In video mode, enter the video settings page and select remote control. Enable. If you use Bluetooth remote control, it is recommended to disable the auto power off function. On the camera screen, enter the system settings page. Select power saving, auto power off, disable. On the camera screen, enter the network USB setting page and select connection setting, USB tether shooting auto. Use the L-shaped multi-camera control cable to connect the RSS camera control port on the gimbal. and the camera control port on the camera. Set the USB mode of the camera to PC, Tether, or select PC Tether mode in the pop-up box when powering on the camera. Use the L-shaped multi-camera control cable to connect the RSS camera control port on the gimbal and the camera control port on the camera. The gimbal mainly consists of integrated battery grip, 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen, NATO port, USB-C port, pan arm and pan motor, roll arm and roll motor, lower quick-release plate, upper quick-release plate, tilt arm and tilt motor, horizontal arm, vertical arm, RSS camera control port, power button. Press and hold to power on or off the gimbal. Press once, twice, enter sleep mode. Press once, twice, again to wake the gimbal. Camera control button. Press halfway, autofocus, short press, start or stop recording. Press and hold, take a photo. M button. Press the M button once to switch between M1, M2, and M3 user profiles. Press and hold the M button to enter sport mode. Press and hold the M button while pressing the trigger twice to lock sport mode. Repeat to exit sport mode. Joystick. In default mode, push the joystick up or down to tilt the gimbal. Push the joystick left or right to pan the gimbal. Trigger. Press and hold to enter lock mode. Press twice to recenter the gimbal. Press 3 times to enter selfie mode. Front dial. Rotate to control focus, zoom by default. You can change the settings via the touchscreen. Firmware update. Press and hold the power button to power on RS3 Mini. Launch the Ronin app and select your DJI RS3 Mini on the device list. Whenever there is a new firmware version available for update, you will see a prompt on the top of the main interface of the Ronin app. Tap Update Now to start updating the firmware. Do not turn off the gimbal or exit the app until the update is completed. If the update fails, restart the gimbal and Ronin app, and try again.